purpose of this lesson is to show students that space is full of many different kinds of celestial bodies. It would be difficult to see many of these objects from home, but they can be seen in great detail from a large telescope or other equipment found in universities and on satellites. Some of the NASA satellites have flown to many of the objects within our solar system and recovered detailed data. For this lesson, have students make a collection of about 15 objects that are found in space. Students can locate NASA pictures and other sites on the internet, then print them out, draw pictures of what they see, copy the picture found in library books, or temporarily check out books and magazines. This collection does not have to be permanent. Be careful not to damage library resources that are used. This would be a good time to try to see the sky from an observatory. It is difficult to print off copies. Have students locate variety of pictures and give them references of each picture they found. Students should choose their top 3 favorite celestial bodies and give 5 to 10 facts about each one.